Yo guys, are you looking for some movies or TV shows on your Amazon Fire TV stick all for free? Check this out. This is how I get these amazing applications. I head to the search icon and type in downloader. DOWN, downloader comes right up. We're going to get it, install it, and download it. Give it a few seconds to download and install. Guys, please, while we're waiting, share this with a friend. Helps out a ton. Before we open it, I head down to the settings icon back in the home screen, far right of the main toolbar there, and then come down to My Fire TV. And then I already have developer options, but if I didn't, I would go under the About, and with Fire TV stick there lit up, I would use my select button multiple times, and then now it says no need since I'm already a developer. Now developer options is here, so we click on developer options, come down to install unknown apps, click on it. Downloaders listed, so we use the select button and turn it on. This allows downloader to install other applications that are not from the Amazon App Store. Head back to the home screen. And now I usually like to have downloader up front and center, kind of where Surfshark is here. So I'll click on the three-line button, which is your apps and games icon, and then I come down, find downloader. I use the three-line button on my remote and move it to the front. Now when we go back to the home screen, as you can tell, I have it up front and center. Next thing I'll download is a nice VPN. Surfshark VPN, S-U-R-F. And when Surfshark is there, click on it, download it, get it, download it, and install it. Once it's installed, create an account, log in with that account, and then as you can tell, right now it says I'm not connected. I'm going to find United States and Detroit, connect. Boom. Now my online activity is all secure. Well, I go to the download application, downloader application, allow it to access files on our device, click OK. Then in the little enter area, URL area, I type in 370.178. Click go. This heads to the Led by the Unknown webpage. Once this 5-second redirect is done, I use the three-line button on the remote, add the page to the favorites. Now I no longer have to wait for the redirect. You just head to the favorites there on the left bar, and it's good to go. Now, guys, there's some couple videos, how-tos, extra content in here for you to take a look at. But today, let's do movies and TV shows. Pull out your smartphone here, take a picture of this QR code, guys, and get yourself 86% off, up to 5 free months on Surfshark VPN. Great deal for you. I come down to movies, TV shows, live streaming apps. I'll find I'll use Zumo TV. There's other apps to try out. We can come down to the bottom of the Zumo TV install page, and we hit for Amazon or Android device like TVs or Android mobile. Download the application. Down at the bottom right, I'll click install. It'll install the app. And then click done. let's not open the application yet. I need to delete this APK file so that it's no longer using up space on the device. Delete. We're good to go. You can hit back, find the other apps that you would like to download. Click the home button on our remote. And then I just head over to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games section. And the last application that's downloaded ends up in the bottom here. 3-line button again on the remote. And we move it to the front, or if you don't want it to the front, you can move it a little further down. Now let's open Xumo Play. Xumo Play has movies, TV shows, and live TV. As you can tell, look at this NFL Game Center right there up front. We can go movies, so we can click on some movies here. They do have like Xumo exclusive, sci-fi, fantasy. Some good stuff, some old stuff, some stuff no one's ever heard of. But remember, check out the other apps on this device. Check out the other apps on this web page. I bet you'll be thoroughly happy. All right, take care, enjoy, peace.